Good afternoon. So let's discuss this conceptual problem on center of mass. So there are two bodies which are moving along x-axis, and these bodies collide inelastically. If they collide inelastically, there is loss of energy, but the momentum remains conserved. The question is, which is the correct, which is the impossible situation for center of mass motion. So if you look into graph number A, you will find that both the bodies are moving, with some slope, which is velocity, and in the middle you have a line which represents the center of mass velocity. And if you look into graph number D, again you have two bodies moving on x-axis with some velocity, and between them you have a line that represents center of mass velocity. But in graph number B and C, you see that the bodies are moving in x-axis, but the center of mass motion is outside the two. The center of mass motion, or the velocity graph for x versus t, should be between the two velocities, which is the velocity of body 1 and velocity of body 2. In inelastic collision, the bodies stick with each other. Thank you.